Okay, I'm Alan Chambers, Head of Building Control at Hounslow Borough Council. We are here today at the Alpha meeting to carry on with the discovery research in previous back office systems and processes for the building control sector. The Alpha project aims to do some research to improve those systems and look at what will be best for the public interface and for the building control teams. So we can see from the project team we have some expertise in the Alpha group, and today's agenda is to welcome us all. Roadmap for strategic project presentation, procurement recruitment update, metrics timesheet categories, focus on communication strategy and partner websites.
Here we have our Alpha roadmap, which we have updated since our previous workshop, really focusing here on what's been completed in August, September, which has largely been around procurement and looking at different customer journeys on existing websites for further insights, as well as looking at our communications plan to ensure we have an up-to-date communications plan moving forward. And one of the elements of work that we've undertaken in the meantime is a strategic projects presentation, which was an update of the BC Digital Workstream to MHCLG and the Open Digital Planning community to let them know what we've been doing to date. And you can find a recording of that on the link here. And a quick update on procurement. So we received some submissions to work with us on the Alpha project, which we reviewed and scored. And the contract has been awarded to Unbox to work with us on the research and development aspect. And we look forward to working with them.
One of the key things we need to do is collect metrics so we can build our benefits case. So we are going to be running timesheeting of existing processes so that will give us some as-is data of how long it takes to do things, and then we can compare that against our prototypes as we develop them and assumptions of what we think the time savings could be. So today in our workshop with partners, we will be looking at a way of rationalising the types of tasks and what we refer to them as, so that we have a consistent approach to the way we're logging that time. On the next slide, you will see we're planning our comms strategy. So we've been talking about how we're going to build our network, build engagement. There's a web page. We've got our second blog that's loaded. This slide deck will be posted on our project page, so you can click on those links if you're interested in finding out more. And then moving on to partner websites, I'm going to pass you on to Dalil, who's been doing some work on this here.
Okay, so what we did in terms of the website, we visited each partner's website and tried to look at the key information like submission forms, the fee structure, and booking surveyor appointments. What we found is there are some variation in how information is structured. Some sites had clear, well-labeled sections and quick access to submission forms. Others required multiple clicks or use technical language that could confuse users. How we captured this? We used Miro to map the user journey for each site. This helped us visualize the state and compare layout side by side. Why this matter? This insight will help us define what's good, what good looks like for building control website, and also support our goal for data standardization and user-friendly experience. I will pass on again to Catherine.
Thanks, Dalil. So next up, we are going to be reviewing our vision statement from our discovery phase, because we might need to update that. We're going to be looking at the pain points that we grouped and ask our experts in the room to help us with the grouping and scoring of those, because that will help us with our focus of the work. We're also going to have a discussion on data standards. What do we mean by data standards? Do we all, so that we can all have the same approach and know what we think that we can improve on? And we'll also be planning our next show and tell findings and presenting those to the experts in the room. So with that, I'm going to say thank you very much. You can see here the links to all of our social media, our blogs. If you're interested, then drop us a line on digital building control at lambeth.gov.uk or any of those other forums, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much.